Alright, YouTube, this is my 2012 King Curb in purple, which is, I believe is pretty rare. Um, it's pretty old already since the 2013 Kinks already came out this May. But, yeah, I just decided to make a bike check because I haven't made one for it. So, yeah, starting off are with my grips. Um, they're Colt Vans in white. There's many colors: black, red, blue, I believe, and white. Brown also, I think. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I regret getting them white because they get really dirty. They're grippy, really soft, and they don't really bother you. Like, I really like them. But I'm thinking about switching to black ODI long necks with some purple bar ends. It'll match the bike. I think it'll look pretty cool. My stem. I got a regular stem, Mission. I just painted the front, and I'm thinking about getting purple bolts to match the bike. Yeah. Stock Kink Volte forks. They're pretty strong, pretty big too. I was looking at my friends. He has a Fit, and his forks are like pretty small. Like his tires are like almost touching the fork, and his tires are like 2.30s, I guess. And yeah, I got the Aaron Ross tires, Odyssey, 10 wall, and 2.35. So yeah, still got a pretty big gap in there. And I got a stock rim. It's been holding up pretty good. I've been jumping pretty high, like onto like the sidewalks and like I've been doing some pretty big jumps in the skate parks and like random places, and it's been holding up pretty good. Sometimes I land pretty bad and like I be yeah pretty landing pretty bad and like nothing happens to it. Like it holds up pretty good, and it's laced up to a Mission, I think. Mission. Oh, it doesn't really say, but I believe it's a Mission. A front hub. I'm thinking about switching those pretty soon with a different rim. Not sure what though. Um, like I said, King Curb, 2012 frame in purple. I just got these King Bico stickers in the mail on Saturday. I ordered them like a week ago, and they came directly a week from now. Uh, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I was looking at the King company website, and you could actually order them by sending them $3 through the mail. Just grab their address, and at the bottom of when you finish writing their address, at the bottom you gotta write ATT end, I believe, stickers, so they could know what you want to buy, and they'll send you a packet of stickers. It has pretty decent stickers, and like yeah, this is my favorite one so far. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool since you don't need to actually use a credit card or any information, so you could buy stuff from there. Still got the stock seat in plastic Mission. It sucks really bad, but I got used to it since I don't really sit down. Most of the times I'm standing up riding. Uh, Stock pedals, aluminum Mission. Thinking about getting some purple Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I would have had them sooner, but my stupid friend already bought the last purple ones in a bike shop we usually go to. It's called, if you wondering what kind of bike shop I go to Frank's Bicycle in Bellflower. Yeah, pretty cool. Cheap prices. Gives you like help on stuff. You buy your bike there, you get lifetime warranty and stuff. It's pretty cool. Bottom bracket really sucks though. It gets loosened too much and like yeah, it gets me really mad. Sometimes mess up your bike, I guess. I don't really like it. I'm pretty soon gonna switch that out to a sealed. I'm not sure what kind of brand, but yeah, a sealed bottom bracket, which yeah, will be pretty cool. In the back, I got the Odyssey Air and Ross tires, 2.35, town wall, stock rim. I was thinking about switching out the rim because yeah, it's all right. As I was saying, on the front wheel, they hold up pretty good, but yeah, it doesn't really go with the hub. As you can see, the hub isn't stock. I got a Primo cassette hub mix, which isn't the remix, is actually the mix, which I just found out they were actually two different things. Um, yeah, it's pretty loud. If you want, I could give you a hub check. Hub sound, I mean. Yeah, never mind. It's gonna be a mission to do that. So yeah. The other side, got an Apple sticker. Gotta love Apple. Yep. As you can see, I'm actually recording this from my iPhone. Stock chain, KMC, I believe. I have a black one in my house, but yeah, I've been pretty lazy to put it on. Stock sprocket, and yeah. This bike is really good after like I kind of modded up a little bit with the new hub, new grips. The old grips were pretty bad. They really sucked. They gave me a lot of blisters. And after I switched them out to these, I haven't gotten a blister after that. And yeah, I really recommend this bike. And yeah, it's my bike check. Thanks for watching.